Good morning. Myself, KVV Nagababu, Assistant Professor in St. Peter's Engineering College. Uh, Today's topic is Basic Electrical Engineering and Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering Unit 2 Division. So, which includes basic production equipment, basic production equipment. So, in this, the main primary production equipment is fuse. So generally, the fuse is a device which is used in a circuit for protecting electrical equipment against overload and short circuit current. The fuse is a protecting equipment mainly due to overloading, overloading of the electrical equipment and over the short circuit conditions. Short circuit condition, which is called a fuse. A fuse is a element or fuse is a wire, which is consists of a wire. That part of the fuse which melt when an excessive current flows through it and isolate the fault device from the supply. So the functioning of the fuse is whenever, for example, let us consider that this is the fuse, and whenever some part of the current is flowing to the fuse to the devices, when the overcurrent is close to the devices, then it will melt. So fuse is a wire. Fuse is a wire. So which protect in such a way that this fuse will melt when an excessive current is flows through it and isolate the fault device when the fuse is melted. So it will be create an open circuit and protecting the overcurrents, protecting the devices from the overcurrent. So the fuse is a material, a wire, so which melts during the overload conditions or fault conditions and isolate the devices from the supply. So this is how the fuse is protecting. Once the fuse is melted, we want to replace the fuse into with the new one. Fuses are both low and high voltage circuits, a moderate to high capacity where the frequent operation is not excessive like production distribution like transformer. So once the fuse is melted, we want to replace the fuse with the new fuse material. So that is why so single fuse only useful for the single time only. So this is the one of the disadvantage of the fuse. So main advantage is during the overload and fault conditions or short circuit occurs now, it will protect the devices from the overcurrents. So this is the so along with this one, along with the switch, we have one. Along with the fuse, we have one switch which is called switch fuse unit. Switch fuse unit. A fuse with a switch. A fuse with a switch is called switch fuse unit. Yeah, like this. So if you provide a switch like this, switch fuse unit. So you want to close or if you want to open the switch, okay, you want to disconnect the supply from the devices and you will open the switch, and if you want to continue the same, we will close the. This is called the switch fuse unit, and some of the advantages of the fuses are, and we know that the main advantage is protection purpose. Any fuse is for the protection purpose. So this is the cheapest among the cheapest material we can buy, so that it is the cheapest one of the advantage, and no maintenance is required. No maintenance is required, and noise is less. Fault current is fault current will be reduced. Fault current will be. These are the advantages of the switch fuse unit, and there are some disadvantages also. Disadvantages also. So these disadvantages are, once the fuse melt, so we want to replace the newer fuse. Okay, so new fuse replacement is required. Replacement is required. So sometimes the fire will happen. Okay, the fire will happen during the melting of the fuse. Fire extinguishers. Okay, the fire is the one of the advantages. Okay, and the number of operations and the lifetime is also very less. Lifetime is also so very less. This is the production. The fuse is. This is how the fuse is protected. So once the overcurrent current is flowed to the devices or the fuse will bend and isolate the devices from the overcurrent current. So these are the one of the advantages of the fuse. And in order to limit the disadvantages of the protecting equipment like the fuses, so one more protecting device is called circuit breaker is introduced. This is the new technology, circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is also protecting device like the fuse. So which makes the circuit during normal condition which break the circuit during fault condition. This is called circuit breaker, which make the circuit during the normal condition, which break the circuit during abnormal condition. As we know that everybody nowadays we have circuit breaker. So once the fault current is entering into our house, and the circuit breaker will disconnect the supply from the devices. So once the circuit breaker is off, then after some time, after a few minutes, we will make the circuit using the circuit breaker. Like this, we have another protecting device is called ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. So earth leakage circuit breaker is just detect the small leakage currents. Not like the circuit breaker, it will detect the small leakage currents. If there is any leakage currents are there, it will protect the small leakage current. Earth leakage circuit breaker. Once the any leakage currents are there, again it will disconnect the circuit from the supply. It will detect the small leakage current between the live wire and the earth wire and disconnect the equipment. So current operated ELCB are also called as residual current circuit breakers, and the voltage operated circuit breakers are also there. So the main purpose of this earth leakage circuit breaker is if there is leakage between earth wire and live wire, then it will detect the small leakage currents. Okay.